So a few of you have been wondering why I'm missing in action at the moment. So I thought I would come on and show you what's going on. So this is the view from my craft studio. So that's our house, which is basically it's a bungalow. And the garden, the grass desperately needs cutting, but it's not the right time of year to cut grass. So let's go round here. Pinboard, door to garage, various bits of postage kind of stuff. Oh, pile of crap. And then we have this. This is the current state of my craft room. Now, from this angle, it's really not too bad. However, welcome to the current disaster area that is my craft room. So what I am trying to do is get some semblance of what I actually need and what I can get rid of. These three boxes down here, where's my hand? There's my hand. These three boxes here have retired product in that I still need to list, and I'm going to put them on eBay, so if anyone wants anything, watch eBay. So these are the cupboards. I mean, it's a disaster. It was getting quite organised, and then I injured myself and I kind of stopped, and now it's just a total disaster. I mean, it's awful. I'm so embarrassed by it. I hate it. It's just, I mean, look, it's just a total disaster. I am beginning to get somewhere. Space! There's a space there. There's actually a space up there. So we are getting there. It's just taking a while. I just really need to kind of pull my big girl pants on and do it. But I'm just not in the right mental space at the moment. This is a box waiting to send stuff out once I've listed the stuff. So this is packing. So that's that. And I'm going to show you something else. So wait up. Here's a nice white wall. Well, actually, I think it might be grey. But anyway, so we are now in the house. And have a look at this. This is the current overflow from my craft room. Now, obviously, that's a bookcase. But look at all this. So these boxes here, everything that's in there has now been listed or is stuff that needs to go into my craft room. So the boxes on the left here, that's all stuff that needs to go into my craft room. These ones here have all been listed. This is what's left, what hasn't sold, and I'm going to donate them. There's a local charity shop that takes craft supplies, and they have confirmed that they would be delighted to get all that. I've got my new cricket. I say new, it's my first cricket that I need to find a home for. There's loads of stuff that is for the cricket there, and it's just a tip. So with all due respect to those of you who are going, well, can't you do some videos? This is my priority, but I need to get the headspace to actually do it. And at the moment I haven't. I know I should. I've just got to get on with it, but I'm not inclined to. My craft room is like a fridge, and there's no point putting the heating on until it's being what it needs to be. So yeah, hey ho. So there you are. That is why I am currently not posting videos. I'm hoping that by posting this video, lots of you will come on and say, oh, Liz, you can do it. We encourage you to get on and do it. And with a bit of encouragement from you guys, I might actually get it done. But at the moment, not so much. I mean, there's new supplies in here that I've barely looked at. I've just not been in the headspace. And I look at my craft studio and kind of go, why should I? What? So, yeah, I need some encouragement. Please encourage me. Leave me lots of comments saying that you want the videos and that I need to get my big girl pants on. Anyway, that is why. Hopefully, I will do some proper videos again very soon. Until then, enjoy the mess.